STEM Kit Conceptual Maths, Grade 4, Chapter 1, Numbers. Topic 1.23, Estimation. Today we will learn estimating to the nearest 100. Did you go through the previous video on estimating to the nearest 10? Let us take this question from the book. Estimate 530, 540, 550 and 570 to the nearest 100. Let's take the first number 530. Let's take the last two digits. Changing the last two digits to 0, we get the lower hundred, which is 500. Adding 100 to this lower hundred, we get the upper hundred, which is 600. So we get the lower and upper hundreds. Now, notice the midpoint. The number 530. On the number line, 530 is closer to 500 since it is on the left of the middle. So 530 estimated to the nearest 100 is 500. If any number is on the mid or on the right of mid, it will be estimated to upper hundred or 600. Getting back to the question, let us map the numbers on the number line. Now, notice the midpoint 550. The numbers 530 and 540 are on the left of mid. So, estimated to the nearest 100, 530 and 540 are estimated to be 500. On the other hand, the numbers 550 and 570 are on the mid or right of midpoint. So, estimated to the nearest 100, 550 and 570 are estimated to 600. For the four numbers, the table shows the lower hundred and upper hundred, and the estimated value to the nearest 100 is circled.